Hi, here I have a AIO board for a 32-inch Philips TV. So the problem with this TV is the panel or the screen is damaged. So this one is the scaler board from the existing screen. So this one is a Samsung panel. It's a 32-inch Samsung panel. Here the Innolux logo. And it's using the SM IC here, and this one is the connector. So this panel is damaged, and to replace the panel I'm using this one is a AWO panel. So the AWO panel, the connector is different compared to this one. So to replace the screen, I have to do some modification here. So by looking here for this panel, okay, so here this is a 30 pin is a HD. So here got red is a 12 volt, and black is ground. And then there are 5 pair here. There's a blue, white, blue, white. There's a 5 pair. So the first pair is data, and then clock, and then data. So there are 4 data, 1 clock line. So on this side, the blue is high and the white is low. So high around 1 point something, and then low is less than 1 volt. So on this side here, this one is the connector here. So by looking here, okay, so there are black is the ground, red is the VCC 12 volt, and then here is the same. There's blue and white, but this side is different. This side the white is high and the blue is low. Also the arrangement is from the back. From back here, this one is the data 1, data 2, data 3, clock, and then data 4. So the arrangement is from the back. It's not from the side, it's from the back. So 1, 2, 3, clock, and then 4. Also the white is high compared to that one. Blue is high. So I do some rewiring here. For example, like this one. This one I mark here number 1. So number 1 is from the back here, and number 1 is going to here, number 1. So the line number 1 data is going to, okay, so here by looking here, there's a white. So white I connect with the blue, and then the blue I connect with the white. So it's opposite side, because on this section the white is high, but for that panel the blue is high. So the white with blue, and then blue with white. So I cut the existing, this one is the existing one I cut, and I connect back all this cable so that it's able to match with this screen. So from here, what is one is from here, from left to the right, 1, 2, 3, clock, and then 4. And here is from the back, 1, 2, 3, clock, and then 4. So after wiring, I turn on the TV, and now the TV got picture already. So now I turn on the backlight. Okay. Okay, so the backlight turn on. So now I turn on the TV. Okay, the Philly logo come. The logo come, but it's in the opposite direction. So afterward, need to make some changes to rotate the screen. Overall, the picture is there. Here got some picture. So after making the rewiring and arrangement, the screen got picture already, but needs some adjustment.